Hi guys, happy Monday. I am just going to doodle on this watercolored piece that I did the other day. I thought it would be fun to do a background, like a doodly background. I don't know. I just wanted to doodle and see where it went, and then maybe it could be cut up as a masterboard. Yeah, so this doesn't necessarily have to be done with watercolor. It could be done with markers, acrylic paint. I want to try all the ways, but today I'm just having a watercolor background and then just using these Posca markers. And then I think it'll be fun to see how it turns out once I cut it up. So anyways, what are you guys up to? How are you doing? Of course, where are you tuning in from? I love hearing about that. It is, I'm filming from Michigan, USA, and it is looking like we're going to get a storm today, which is kind of fun. I feel, for some reason, I'm like the most creative when it's crappy out, I guess. Motivated. In between doing a little bit of this, I am trying to organize my Christmas craft stuff so that I can do some Christmas crafting. But the problem is right now it's a disaster. So I feel like I've tried to sit down and make stuff, but it's not working because it's just too much of, it's just too, you know what I mean? Disorganized. So I'm just hoping my Poscas hang out with me today and don't fail me, because sometimes they do. Sometimes they don't love watercolor. So do you guys like to doodle? I think it's probably one of my favorite things to do. Oops. Went off kilter there. This is a very small mark, so this will take a minute, so I can speed this up. This video is not really, super exciting. It's just, I've seen a few things on YouTube lately about artists, and I don't know, give me feedback because I would love to hear that some viewers don't always want instructionals. They just want the artist to play like in their own element and then, post it. Just kind of see like a behind the scenes. I'm not really sure how to describe it. And it makes sense for me as the creator that it can be exhausting trying to come up with things to teach or to, I don't know what the word is. I'm sorry, I'm bad with words on this. Just like, new ideas, and it's more relaxing sometimes just to do what you feel like doing versus feeling like you have to impress, people to, you know what I mean? Like all those things. So anyways, I'm curious what you guys think. If you do enjoy videos of just, artists that are creators, whatever you want to call us, just, doing what we do if we weren't on camera. I'm more than happy to do more videos like that because it's less mentally draining. It's more relaxing. I don't know. I like doing a little bit of everything, but there's a lot of things that I create and craft and putz with off camera, obviously. But then trying to put it into words or make a video that YouTube's gonna like isn't always easy. So anyway, I think it's fun to just do what you do and not worry about it. So, and there's definitely a place for how-tos and tutorials. I use them myself because I'm new at creating journals, like the actual structure. So I definitely need how-tos. I'm still very, what's the word? Weak, I guess. I don't know. So anyway, I don't know if I should outline these different sections or just kind of, not really sure. That's not what I wanted. I'm trying to think what I want to do in there. Maybe I'll go to, I'm trying to think if I'd like this. this. Let's see. Don't really know until I try it, so. Sorry if my table's bouncing a little bit. I'm trying not to, but it's hard not to too at the same time. Trying to hold it still. So another thing I was thinking with these, like these kind of, you know, doodly backgrounds, I think it would be fun to take and cut collage fodder out of them, you know, what we've been doing, to get all the different prints or whatever the designs on them. So that's kind of what I'm thinking to do with this one. It could also be a masterboard, which I'll probably do fodder on this one just because I want to try it. And I have a bunch of masterboards, so I don't really need another one right now. Let's see here. You might hear my little Henry boy in the background. Oops. I'm trying to think, where should this end? I guess I'll turn it and go, oops, and go over here. And end it there, I guess. See what happens. Maybe do. You guys know I love my polka dots. It's hard for me not to do this whole board in polka dots because I just love circles and, you know. Make sure I'm in frame. Ooh, I'm way out of frame. Okay, let me move in here. There we go. All right, hopefully I wasn't out of frame for a lot of that. Oh gosh, I hope not. Oh, and I wanted to say that, I don't know if you guys have heard of, I don't know how to pronounce her channel name, Taiga Journals. I'll link it, but it's Taiga. I got my inspiration from her video doing this. Same colors. Hang on, I gotta get this adjusted. Her and I both were sent the Light Wish watercolors. And so anyways, I noticed her video popped up and I absolutely loved her doodles and the watercolors. So anyways, that's where my inspiration came from for this. I don't know if silver is gonna show up. We'll find out. Might. Oops. Oopsie. There's something. I don't know if I'm going to regret this. Outlining it. No, I kind of think it looks okay outlined. Where I'm going here, let's see. What do you guys think? Outline or no outline? I'm still on the fence, but kind of like it outlined. All right, let's see. Let's find. I love this doodle. I don't even know what it's called. Apparently it's an emoji now. Or maybe it has been. I just recently saw it as an emoji. If you guys like these doodly videos, let me know. If they're boring, that's cool too. But I always like to know what you guys like, so then, oops, I hope that's not wet. So then I can do more of what you guys like. So it's gonna be tricky to outline this. I'll just have to add white there again. Oh, maybe not. Okay, I'm just going to... This is kind of a hard area to have be its own thing. So let me see here. So for the base of this, I can do it on camera, but I just did random squiggles with my paintbrush. Circles, because I love circles. That's pretty much it. There wasn't any like real difficulty behind it, just swirls. And let's see. Yeah, check out her channel. She's awesome. I love her videos. I think she's a newer channel too, but Taiga, I forget where she's from. Oh, Finland. Okay, this black is not cooperating. Let's see. I think this black might be drying up. Maybe I could use a permanent marker instead. Let me see if I have another black. This black might be better, actually. Let's see. It's not great, but it's fine. Also, let me know if you want, when I'm doing repetitive stuff, if you like that I speed it up, or if you want to watch the whole thing. Trying to think what else to do. I feel like the more, oops, I'm way out of frame. The more marks I make, the more fun the fodder will be, Once it's cut up. Oops, I'm smearing. fix some of those because I messed them up. Space is kind of hard to do. Let's see. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, it's kind of fun. It's definitely a learning curve. I have to come up with more doodle mark ideas, but I think that's good for right now. I might add some more in between these, but right now that paint's wet. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.